Time to check in with the markets now with our business reporter Edward Boyd. Ed, Crown Resort shares could jump this morning after that casino operator, the Star Entertainment Group, posted $12 billion merger, but it has some competition, doesn't it?
It does have a bit of competition. So the Star have now proposed a merger with Crown Resorts, which would make a $12 billion casino and entertainment gaming giant, one of the largest of those types of businesses in the Asia Pacific region. But there's also the US fund manager Blackstone that have placed a bid for Crown as well. And they actually increased their offer over the weekend. And that implies Crown is worth around the $9 billion mark from their offer. So they've increased their offer to about $12.35 a share. The Star's offer is at about $12.50 a share, and that also includes a mixture of cash and shares together. So if this deal with the Star goes ahead, which it's all totally up in the air at the moment, it needs full approvals and it needs due diligence, etc. Star shareholders would own 41% of the new company. Crown investors would have 59%. And the deal would give James Packer, the major shareholder in Crown, who owns 37% of the stock at the moment, a smaller portion of the combined entity, and it would allow him to sell off some of his shares. Apparently, there's $150 million to $200 million in cost savings from this potential deal, and it's now going through the due diligence process. The Star says today that due to its relationship with the government and regulators already, it's confident it can get the necessary approvals for this deal and for, obviously, Crown Sydney to get its casino licence back. Crown have also put out another update this morning as well. They've just announced a new chief executive, Steve McCann. He is currently the chief executive of Lendlease. He's been in that role for about 10 years. He's finishing up at Lendlease soon and is due to start on the 1st of June at Crown Resorts, assuming he gets all of the regulatory approvals. So Crown have announced their new chief executive. He's taking over. Helen Coonan is the current executive chair of Crown, and once Steve McCann steps in, she will just become the chairman. She won't have the overall role of managing the entire company.